Students, this is the output, and today we are going to learn how to write the code of this output. It is an output of an HTML program where we have used the frames. Yesterday we have started this one. So how many I have divided I have divided the browser window in 4 parts. How I do it? First I divide this one 50% in the calls and 50% in the row wise, 50% column wise and 50% row wise. Now we will see the code how we have done this one. Fine. So this is the code. We have started with the HTML. As we know that frame set is responsible for dividing the web page or into different independent pans or the sections. Fine. Who is responsible for dividing? Who is responsible for creating the independent frames? Frame set, the tag frame set. Now what I have done, I divide the browser window or the web page 50-50 in rows and 50-50 in columns. So what will happen if I divide this one 50-50? It will be like this. If I divide into the columns, it will be like this. Means the 4. How many I have created? 4 frames I have created over there. Fine. Now 4 frames will contain 4 HTML files. I have done it. See this one, frame src f1.html, name is f1, frame src f1.html, f2.html, f2.html. frame set is closed. 4 frames are there, and we know that frames are responsible to display what will be display in that particular frame. Frame set is responsible for dividing or creating the frames, and frame set is responsible for dividing and creating the frames, and frame is responsible for what will be displayed in that particular frame. So frame, this one this will be displayed, frame 2 this will be displayed, frame 3 this will be displayed, frame 4 this will be displayed over there. Fine. And what we are going to do, we are going to close the frame set and the HTML. Fine. This is one. Another one output is there. See this one. What we have done, we have divided it into the 4 frames, and this frame once again it will be divided into the 2 portion in the column wise. First 50% row 50% column, we have created this one, and then what we have done, we have divided this frame into 2. Fine. Now we'll see the code. Now first HTML, then the frame set 50% rows 50% column for this division. Done it. Border is equal to 7, border color blue. Fine. The first frame, this one is the first frame. For this one, this is the first frame. This f1.html has been displayed. Now this frame will going to be displayed once again into the column wise. So what I have written, frame set calls 50% 50%, border 7 and border color white. Fine. Now this file will displayed over here, and this file will displayed over here, and another 2 frames are over here. Frame src f2.html, frame src f2.html. means same file I have displayed over here. Now one thing I forget to tell you, when I write this frame set I have closed it over here. Okay, this frame set is for this one, it will close it over here. This frame set is for this, it will close it over here. This frame set is for this division, this frame set is for this division, it has been closed over here. Fine. So in this way we are going to divide the things. Okay, thank you very much. I think you have